Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a modern, rural South St. Elizabeth property located just under 10 minutes from attractions such as Lover's Leap and Little Ochi. Tryall District is a family-oriented, semi-residential community which comprises of large residential lots where residents practice subsistence farming as well as supplying local shops and supermarkets. This property as a investment component where this 3 bedroom, 2 bathroom house contains a fully self-contained section. The house also comes with a nice kitchen, spacious living and dining area. There is a separate structure to the rear of the property which contains what was a thriving cook shop serving members of the community. This offering also includes 6 solar panels with 400 and 200-watt panels, a 2,500-gallon underground water reservoir as well, and Rhino 2 water tanks on the roof, complete with a water pump. There are 6 security cameras, both internal and external. The content of the house are also available, subject to negotiation. This is an unbelievable offering on Jamaica's south coast that may not be available for too long. The land area of this house is approximately 21,800 square feet. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 17 million or US $110.4 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.